Hello viewers, welcome to Show My Life Blogs new episode. Today we're visiting Clevedon town, a seaside town in UK. We are at the old station road. As you can see, there's so many restaurants here. Clevedon is a hilly town. Just running on the old station road, trying to find something extraordinary. It's quite a beautiful town, as I can see. Now we are at the main attraction, the Clevedon seaside. As you can see, the very old heritage Clevedon Pier. It's more than 100 years old, still standing solid. The beautiful seaside. The best time to visit is in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. If you specifically want to visit going to the pier, you need to come before 4 p.m. I think Clevedon is a great place to visit with the family or friend. It's a lovely place to hang around. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.